Hey everyone, it's the Monday Master here, and today I'm going to walk you through the Monday Labs beta feature, Connected Boards question in Workforms. This allows submitters of your form to use data from another board in response to questions on your form as a drop-down select option. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Monday.com guides and time-saving tips that I'll continue to release in the future. I'm going to use two boards to demonstrate this example. First, we have our projects board. It's very simple, where each item represents a project. We then have an expenses board where we're going to track expenses for that project as an item on our board. It's going to be reported through a form, and we're also going to be able to associate which project that expense occurred to. So first, in order to do this, we need to create our Connect Boards column. To do so, we'll click the plus button on the right-hand corner of our screen. We'll select the Connect Boards option. It's then going to prompt us to select the boards we want to connect to. It's going to be our projects board, and we're going to create a two-way connection so that Connect Boards column also exists on our project board. We're not going to create a mirror column. We're actually going to do that on our projects board. First, we'll notice when we move to that projects board, we have the Connect Boards column also added there that links back to our expenses. We'll click the three dots to the right-hand corner next to the column name. We're going to add in a mirror column where we can then add in the link to the expenses, and we're going to mirror in the amount and show our summary as an average. This is going to allow us, when expenses are reported, to pull in the amount for each of those expenses and give us a total for that specific project, which we can then run formulas against and say things like, okay, we budgeted this amount. This is the costs. What's our difference there? And we're going to select our unit as dollars. This is costs. So now that we have that connection established, when we go into our form, you're going to initially notice that there's nowhere to select the option to submit or to assign a project to an expense. So what we're going to do to add this is we're going to go to the top right-hand corner of our screen here to Monday Labs. We're going to search in the filter for the Connected Boards question in Workforms, and we're going to go ahead and activate that. Once activated, it should refresh our Monday account. So we're going to do that quickly. Once our account reloads, we're going to click the Edit Form button on the right-hand side. We'll then scroll down and you'll notice you now have a new question available to you, the Connected Boards question, which is essentially going to ask the submitter what project that expense should go to. We're going to then turn that question on, so we make sure it's a question that's being asked. We're also going to make sure that the amount is turned on as well. We'll then see how this works. So we'll go back to the view. And we can say, okay, ABC was purchased, the amount was $100, and we can associate it with project one. And once that expense is submitted, it's going to create a new line item, and you'll see it is associated with project one, which is going to increase the costs and that budget difference as well. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Monday.com tips. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me either via email or any of my socials linked below this video.